Hey, good morning. We're on Scofield. Sean, Shifty, we're Shifty Outdoors. This isn't our favorite lake by any means, but we're too old and fat, and we didn't... I always screw that up. I'm overweight, and Sean's looking pretty good, but we can't stand to pull and push, so we brought the wheeler out. So far, we've had all sorts of problems with just about everything, really.
Brr.
Except, yeah, we have no heat either, but we might as well go down. Stay with us. We're going to try to...
I'm already down.
Sean's already down. Hey, thanks for following us. We sure appreciate you.
Fish.
Of course, there's already fish. That's how you do it. Oh, I'm on one already. Nope, he's way below me. There he comes. Oh, there he's right there. You know what? I've got a spring bobber on this, but this new rod... I'm
Good night, mother of...
Say pearl. I'm
Dude,
telling
you
what.
put a hole in the tent.
Yeah, he broke my line off.
Oh, you're an idiot.
Broke my line off, but I will shout out, I got to. This rod's awesome. Wasatch Tenkara rods.
Twinners.
Yeah, if I get one, you have to get one. Look, there he is down there. But anyway, you should check him out. He's got them on sale right now for $65, and they are freaking amazing. You need to go get one. Hey, Sean, there's fish down. I got to drop something else down there because I'm not going to give you...
How do you break your line? Every time you come, you buy your line at $1.
What's wrong with that? You always diss on that.
I know. But $1 isn't known for high quality fishing line.
You don't know.
Oh, I should check when they bite me. I didn't check. Got him.
You got him?
Yes! Yes!
Oh,
yes!
that's too funny.
Yes!
You waited all morning for that?
Dude, that was worth all the problems. That's worth being cold.
I'm going to double up with you.
What? Not going to be hard to catch a bigger one, I'll tell you that much.
There's going to be a fish down there. They got the old isopod, and that thing catches fish, you know that.
I got one nibbling.
You must have got him over there. Well, next time maybe try to catch it.
Did you know you can keep all the cuts you want out of here?
Some guys have problems.
Oh, he feels okay.
Like 6 inches instead of 3?
Nope. Oh, look at that fat head. Look, you got a hunchback. Dude, look at that hunch on that thing.
Yeah, he does. You call it a hunch?
Well, yeah, look at that back.
Idiots on film.
That's not bad.
No, it's not like the first one, so... Look how far he took that isopod. You can't see an isopod in his mouth. Check it out. Ain't nothing there.
Dude, he swallowed him.
Yeah. We gotta be careful on this one because we don't want to hurt him. Just had to be careful of him.
Yeah, but you ruined your hook too.
Yeah, I know. Darn.
That was dumb of you.
You got yourself a little fishy down there, do you?
Yeah, he's just nibbling. Yeah, he's decent. Dude, when's the last time we caught this good size of fish in Scofield?
I've been seeing people catching them and thinking, how they doing and not us, but I guess it's just a...
They're growing them right.
Good year this year.
Uh-oh.
Flinging?
He pooped. Caught that on a worm.
Did you? He's playing with it.
Whoa.
God, why couldn't I catch him?
What'd you do?
Nothing. Just mind your own business.
Obviously.
It's a dink. No, it's not. He,
It's not bad.
finally decided to take that.
Hold on, little buddy. I broke my spring bobber.
I see one. There's one down. Let me get a fish.
Wow, dude, I'm impressed. Impressed with the Scofield. Look at that double up right there.
Hey, those are both good fish, dude. Good
Rainbows.
Fish. Yep, we'll take those rainbows home. Stop. Oh, there's a good fish, I bet. He is pretty solid. That's a good fish. After you couldn't get yours.
The fish got it. The fish won that one.
Yeah.
I want that gutter pop back though.
That's what I caught this on. They're pretty decent fish though, you know, they're good. It's good to get on and catch something, and the size they are pretty good. There we go. That's a good fish on that bad hook. Look at that size on a bent. Look at, he just spit that out. But that's on that crappy hook they got at Walmart.
Walmart or all $1?
Walmart. Don't diss on all $1.
Same thing.
Why do you do that? What kind of fish is that?
Dude, that's a tiger muskie.
Yeah. You know your fish. There's another one.
Because every time I try to catch a cornhole.
Now that was a huge fish.
God, another. What are these called?
Tiger muskie.
Tiger muskies. They're everywhere. Got red faces too. Oh my god. Look at that thing. What in the world? Hey, yeah. Hey, God. This one's definitely. Oh.
Ooh. Oh, listen, look. See that? Oh, put that on the film. That's awesome. You make me sick. Don't throw up in the tent. You go outside, Sean. Do not throw up in here.
Get it off.
Get it off. Are you kidding me?
Get it off.
This is
Please.
fun. This is great.
Please. Oh. I'm gonna take that fish home.
Get it down there.
Oh. Look at that number, Bob.
Barino.
Uh-oh. Stuck on the ice. Brother.
Oh, we might start to have to like this place. We've always hated Scofield for little fish, and you know what? Now we're not catching little fish. Please don't tell me you got it again.
Oh. God.
Hold your fish, dude.
Oh, they're feeding these way too much. They got the poops. Thanks for playing.
Oh, there's a fish down there. Oh, got him. Why couldn't we have doubled up? Oh, look at these fish.
Dude.
I'm hoping he can unhook himself.
There's my drill.
Oh, I just love these big fish. Hey, Sean, what's that? Get that, hurry, get it.
Shut, dude, don't. I already hurt.
You like those.
That fish is still on, dude. He's attacking my transducer. Look at him. He's hit it 4 times.
Listen to that wind. That wind is wicked, dude. We're going to have some issues. Can't tell if you catch a fish.
That was the one that's hitting my transducer.
Really?
He's angry. Where are you going, buddy? Follow me. There you go. I think that's on my top one. It was. Oh, it's a stink. Gosh dang it.
He's all over you. Let's see if you can take him.
No, I'm going to give him presentation.
Focus down there.
Wow.
Focus. Some days are like that. Some days are like that.
Another muskie.
I love this rod. I just love this rod. Because you can't see a fish, but you can feel him on this rod.
Well, quit stepping on mine. You're going to break it. Gosh dang it. Freaking Shifty.
God, I just love this. And he took that little teeny top. Think I can get him up? Yeah, he did. Look. Oh, really? You snagged on the second one. Come on.
God, I'm trying to try a freaking... Will you leave me alone for a minute?
Look at that. They're just amazing fish. Thank you. It's a beautiful fish.
Do you have another one for you?
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Big tiger. No?
No.
Dang it. I saw that orange. I got excited.
I don't know where he's at, but that doesn't count. That doesn't count. You have to be holding your pole to catch a fish. Wow.
Rules.
That just shows how good you are.
It was.
Yeah.
It was.
And we
You're
figured it
absolutely
was eating your battery.
right. God, that tiger came
Hey,
right
that is
up.
a tiger.
Yeah.
Done, girl.
And he picked a worm. That's awesome. I like them tigers.
Dang it. Why'd you get to catch all the big fish? Isn't it funny how we traded places?
Yep.
It's not funny. You don't see me laughing.
No, usually complaining.
He's little. Oh, good hell.
Well, he didn't fight.
That's little to you nowadays?
No, but he didn't
Wow.
fight.
You were so much more fun when you catch dinks.
A double? Well, I just let mine go down.
I think I caught your same fish.
Here, you hold this.
Good night. Are you serious? Richard, what'd you do? Wow, look at that, bro.
Yep.
That's a good size bow.
What is it? That a big one?
It is to me.
No one's gonna question you.
Crap. Sit down. See, you catch nice tame fish that don't even move. Me? Mine are a disaster. It's gotta be a bow. It's got spots on it.
You know your fish.
You're the worst fisherman ever. How many fish is that you caught without your pole in your hand?
Why do you try to make me look bad?
Well, that's cheating. It's in the book. Read the book.
I was playing with the GoPro.
I can't catch one with my pole in my hand. See my lure down there.
He bit me twice and I didn't.
Good grief. Kidding?
Oh, just good fish.
Man, look at those. Wow.
I dropped down on a bunch of them. They came up. Got nothing.
Good hell, do I not have bait on or what? You piece of... You frickin' piece of Shifty. Your hole turned on.
Golly, no. What if he took my chicken? Get rather on the phone.
That's a medium-sized one for the day. Shifty's kicking my ass again, as usual. Right. But look, oh, now he's on the bottom. He's nibbling. Leave my damn fish alone. Good hell. Let me catch a fish.
There's a whole bunch of dinks down there, I bet.
There's not a dink.
Oh, it's not?
Nope.
No?
I'll take him.
Keep your fish over there.
Damn it, I'm hooked on the ice again.
Well, he sounds big. He is big.
Oh gosh. Scofield's my new favorite lake. How can you never bring me here?
We hate Scofield. We don't hate it now.
Dude, that's a girthy little thing. Reminds me of you.
Are you kidding me? Why would you say that?
Because he's cute. Dude, my hand is like completely numb. Frozen. Like non-existent.
They're just popping right out of those holes, and now it's got so much water around them.
Freaking nice.
That's weird.
Dude, where, is that 50 fish?
Yeah.
Good gravy.
What does that even mean?
I don't even know, but it sounds good. Ugh. You got a dry towel? How much?
Do you want to start at about $26
Absolutely.
an hour?
Whatever it takes. I'm freezing.
Nope. Go for start recording.
Oh,
It's
wow.
already recording.
Oh, wow. That's a heavy fish. Could you just get it out for me? I'm so numb. I'm not doing well. Right in the beak.
Look at this one. Look how big he is.
Oh, he's not that big.
What fire not that big do you see?
You sure acted like he was big.
You wanted a warm towel?
Do the prices go up?
Yep.
Because I'm fine with that.
Back here. Look at him. What's he doing? He's going in circles, but he doesn't want to come up the hole. It's a fish.
That's a lovely fish.
It's a slab.
I'm just glad you caught him and not me.
I know, because now my hands are going to get
Because
cold.
it's way too cold to catch fish.
Oh, that's a good fish. Mwah. Oh, burr, 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 burr. Glad you only messed up
Ever
that
fish with
heater.
no gloves on?
Ski gloves.
Ski gloves.
Hot fingers.
Come on, little buddy. Yes!
He bit me first. He released?
Yes! Oh, that's a great fish. He knew I'm suffering.
You're not even going to bend over to put him in
Not
my
a
hole, are you?
chance. He's all yours.